Tap into the convenience of Absa contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's Absa.
Every now and again, Goyle makes good things happen. This time, Goyle has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goyle Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goyle Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goyle Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goyle Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goyle has that sorted. Goyle, good energy.
Welcome. We are GNPC, the nation's oil company. Our core work is to find and market Ghana's growing oil reserves. We strive to lead the sustainable exploration, development, production and disposal of the petroleum resources of Ghana, as well as become a leading global oil and gas company whose operations have a profound impact on the quality of life of the people of Ghana. Down the years, we have partnered with renowned brands like Tallow, ENI Oil, Cosmos, Anadako, Petro SA, among others. How? In 2007, Jubilee, Ghana's biggest oil field, was discovered and later commissioned in 2010. Ghana's economy grew by 14.7% in 2011, triggered by the Jubilee field production in 2010. That represented a quarter of government's revenue. And that's just the beginning. The 10 field, with a capacity of about 300 million barrels, was also commissioned in August 2016. With a 20% stake, the Sankofa Jinyami field, which is expected to start oil production in 2017 and gas in 2018, will add an annual revenue of $7 billion. Some of the other fields and wells after Jubilee have been Mahogany East, Banda, Teak, Akasa, Odum, Wawa, Sapele. Because education is on top of our priorities, we've constructed 6-unit classroom blocks, each for the people of Elembele, Jomoro, Nzema East, Shama Ahanta West, and the Sekendi Takrady Municipal Assembly, and an 18-unit block for the Axim Girls Senior High School. For the love of football, we continue to fuel the passion of the Black Stars to make a consecutive 4th World Cup appearance and win our 5th AFCON title. For our greatest assets, the staff, we make sure they have the best of experiences by ensuring there is professionalism, creativity and innovation, environment, health and safety is put first, teamwork, reward of merit, respect for talent. GNPC keeps growing at a faster pace. This is us, empowering dreams.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's APSA.
Yo, Charlie, what's up?
Bro, Adeo.
It's that time of the year again, oh.
Abi, you know, we made it last year. What be the challenge for today?
Time travel is possible. All we have to do is find E.
This one day, we go need more time for that.
But we have the best data bundles.
Yeah, we will see.
Do more with Ghana's best data bundles on Airtel Tigo. Big time data, Sika Coco, Morning Rush, and other amazing offers. Dial *111# now.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
yourself out there, facing your fears, all you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate you.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead. Expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
Alande, make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, see the check.
Join the Absa family and make fast, easy and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long tail. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, no like I'm simple and easy.
We are offering our new and over 26 million existing customers worldwide an absolutely free COVID-19 cover. Yes, absolutely free. A couple of reasons. The satisfaction of knowing that you know we care. It's in conformity with who we are, the core of identity. We have a value of initiative that constantly drives us and to push the bar. We have a mantra, always listening, always understanding, and we back that up. Customer satisfaction is important to us. We have been doing this for over 170 years. We have honored our promise throughout the years. We were there in 1848 during the cholera pandemic, the sinking of the Titanic in 1912, through World Wars I and II, 1918 Spanish flu epidemic, through the decade of the Great Depression, 2002 SARS outbreak. And we certainly have every intention of honoring claims for this 2020 coronavirus pandemic. Hi, my name is Razak Abdul, and I'm the head of customer service here at Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. I invite you all to join the Prudential Life family today.
international Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. Maybe at the day I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the Absa family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life. Like I'm simple and easy.
I rather your humble servant do my back. And I tighten so crowd into the Mucha. That's what that Jimmy. My 277. What's your missa? How the Ben Maya? Papa, to go me so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021, dear. Mafia. First, me talk about Gary Kitwebi. They say the concrete tankasa and the medigum. Papi, minister system in my thing. Has been so dear, but me I am a kama. I am young palm, the Miamato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes.
Get Airtel Tigo.
I tell Tigo no, my dear bill.
Welcome to the quarterfinals of the 2022 National Science and Math Quiz. Congratulations to all schools who have qualified to the quarterfinals. Well done. This is our third quarterfinal contest. And this contest features Mawuli School, Presby Senior High Technical School, Aburi, and our reigning champions, Prempeh College. Before we get back to the contestants, I would like to remind you that we are in the Absa Bank money zone. What this means is that Absa Bank is providing 10 Ghana cedis for every point and for every member of the team. That's 3 students and a teacher. Thank you, Absa Bank. I'd like to use this opportunity to also acknowledge our sponsors. The National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, Goyle, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Zipline, Studio HD, and YFM. Well, my name is Elsie Ifa Kaufman. I'm an associate professor of biomedical engineering and the Dean of the School of Engineering Sciences, University of Ghana. Thank you. Let's meet the contestants. Prempeh College is represented by
Sifabuachi Yadom Lionel.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Great. So you are reigning champions.
Yes.
What does that mean? I mean, do you get special treatment everywhere you go?
No, please.
Nothing like that. So what's the benefit of being a reigning champion?
Well, it has helped us in some ways, especially with our preparations. Because since we are the reigning champions, the old boys now pay more attention to us, and yeah, we now have more facilities.
We are always grateful, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sure this contest is going to go well, right?
Yes, by
Okay,
God's
so
grace.
best wishes to you.
Thank you.
Mawuli School is represented by
Dohini Emenu.
Elliot Sapia.
You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, so this is something I always do. When the mixed schools field a young lady, I always congratulate them. So, well done, Mawuli School. All right. So I hear the two of you are very talented.
Yes, please.
Do you mind sharing your talents? What do you do?
Me, I'm good at cooking. I'm very good at cooking.
Cooking?
Yes, please.
What's your best dish? Your best dish?
Jollof.
Jollof. And you?
Dancing.
Dancing. This is a powerful duo. One will be cooking, the other one will be dancing. All right, that's very nice. Your contest is going to go well, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, best wishes to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School is represented by
Ashley Israel Nijumu.
Lavran Selom Adama.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank
How
you.
are you doing?
You are blessed and highly favored.
Great. A little about your school.
My school, Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, is in the Eastern Region, Equapim South. Last 2 years, we made it to the semi-finals, and this moment is another opportunity for us to make it to the semi-finals, and we pray that with God's grace, we do not miss this opportunity. Thank you.
Okay. In that case, let me wish you well.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Every now and again, Goyle makes good things happen. This time, Goyle has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goyle Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goyle Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goyle Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goyle Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goyle has that sorted. Goyle, good energy.
Welcome. We are GNPC, the nation's oil company. Our core work is to find and market Ghana's growing oil reserves. We strive to lead the sustainable exploration, development.
Contestants, as always, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. The questions are simple and direct. I'm expecting simple and direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it becomes available to the 2 remaining schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If right, 1 bonus point. If not, there is a penalty, 1 point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds in which to present your answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have 10 seconds to do so. Ladies and gentlemen, all questions are to be attempted once only, once. Best wishes to all 3 schools. The first set of questions will require 30 seconds of your time. And I'm starting with a preamble to all schools, after which I'll start with you, Prempeh College. All right, so preamble to all schools. The radius of a sphere is increasing at the rate of 1 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which, again, the radius of a sphere is increasing at the rate of 1 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which, and for you, Prempeh College, the volume is increasing when the radius R is equal to 10 centimeters. Lionel.
400 pi centimeter cube per second.
You're right. Aburi Presby with the same preamble. The surface area is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeters. Salom.
1/5 centimeter squared per second.
That's incorrect. Yes, Go ahead, please.
80 pi centimeter squared per second.
You're right. With the same preamble, Mawuli School. The volume is increasing when the radius r is equal to 6 centimeters. Yes, Elliot.
144 pi centimeter cube per second.
You're right. Next set, 10 seconds of your time, please. I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. When I get to your school, I will give you a structure, a biological structure. Indicate the ploidy level of the given structure. I hope you got that. All right. Prempeh College. Anther of a flower. Yes, Eunice.
Haploid. Haploid.
That's incorrect. I'm not accepting. I will tell you in a bit. All right. With the same preamble, Aburi Presby, angiospermic endosperm. Yes, Salom.
Triploid.
You're right. Mawuli with the same preamble. The liver hepatocytes of an adult human being. Yes, Elliot.
Diploid.
1. All right, so now let me explain. Okay, so for you, yes, diploid is possible because it contains a heterogeneous mixture of diploid and polyploid. It's a mixture, right? Okay. And then Prempeh College, the anther of a flower, that is diploid. Okay? All right. Next set, 30 seconds. Your question, Prempeh College. A ring of mass, 0.050 kilogram, and radius, 4.0 centimeter, rotates from rest about its symmetry axis under the action of a constant 2.4 times 10 raised to the power -3 Newton meter torque. Find the angular speed of the ring 2.5 seconds after it starts rotating. Yes, Lionel. Go ahead.
1.2. 1.2.
That's incorrect. Who rang for the bonus? Okay, go ahead. Elliot.
1.5 rad per second.
No. The right answer The right answer is 75 radians per second. Aburi Presby. In a similar situation, a solid cylinder of mass 4.0 kilogram, radius 5.0 centimeter, and length 0.20 meter, rotates from rest about its symmetry axis under the action of a constant 0.15 Newton meter torque. Find the angular speed of the cylinder 3.0 seconds after it starts rotating. Yes, Israel?
Okay. The angular speed is 90 rad per second.
You are right. Mawuli School. A 2.0 kilogram disc of radius 20 centimeter rotates about its symmetry axis under the action of a 1.6 Newton meter torque. Please find the angular speed of the disc 2.0 seconds after it attains 60 radians per second. Emmanuel.
500 rad per second.
That's incorrect for bonus. Too late. The right answer is 140 radians per second. Next set, 10 seconds. Prempeh College. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, is a synthetic polymer commonly used in the construction of pipes, window frames, automobile interiors, and so on, etc. What is the systematic name of the monomer unit of PVC? Lionel?
3 chloro probe 1 in.
I'm not accepting that.
Yeah,
Yes?
Chloroethene.
Yeah, that's it. Your major question. Starch is a polymeric carbohydrate and a natural component of most plants. What is the monomer unit of starch? Salom?
Glucose.
1 out of 3. I'll tell you the reason later, okay? Mawuli, cellulose is a polysaccharide found in the cell wall of most plants. What is the monomer unit of cellulose? Emmanuel?
Alpha glucose.
That's incorrect. Yes.
Beta glucose.
Yes, it's beta glucose.
I wanted to say alpha glucose.
And now you know why. What's the right answer for yours? It's alpha glucose. Next set 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Preamble. Find a unit vector v perpendicular to and in the same plane as the given vector. I hope you got it. All right. So your vector A, Prempeh College, is equal to 6i minus 8j. Lionel?
4 on 5i plus 3 on 5g.
You're right. Aburi Presby with the same preamble. Your vector B is equal to 12i plus 5j. Yes, Elon?
So the vector is negative 5i on 13 plus 12j on 13.
Yes. Mawuli School with the same preamble. Your vector C is equal to 8i minus 15j. Yes, Elliot?
15 over 17i plus 8j over 17.
Yes. Now, with this set of questions, I hope you realize that the opposite direction would also have been correct. So we had multiple possibilities for answers, right? Thankfully, you all got them right. Well done. Now, next set, 10 seconds. And I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. When I get to your school, I will mention a type of pyramid. A type of pyramid. Please indicate whether the type of pyramid I mentioned to you is upright or inverted, and give a reason for your answer. I hope you got it. All right, yours, Prempeh College. Pyramid of numbers. Yes, Lionel?
It is upright. And this is because as you move from one trophic level, that is from the lower trophic levels to the higher trophic levels, the total number of organisms present at each trophic level decreases, making this pyramid upright.
1. Again, I will come and tell you the reason in a bit, okay? Aburi Presby, with the same preamble. Pyramid of biomass. Yes, Salom.
The pyramid of biomass is upright, and this is because as one moves along the trophic levels, the number of organisms reduces, thereby the mass of the total dry weight of the organisms in each trophic level as one moves up reduces. And this leads to an upright pyramid of biomass.
1.
I wish.
Mawuli School with the same preamble. Pyramid of energy. Yes, Emenyo.
Pyramid of energy is always upright. This is because as one moves up the pyramid or from one trophic level to another, energy is lost through respiration, excretion, and other methods. So therefore, pyramid of energy will always be upright because at the highest level of the pyramid, the energy is very small. But at the lowest level, more energy.
All right. Okay, so Prempeh College. The pyramid of numbers. It can be inverted or upright, depending. Okay, and what does it depend on? It depends on the number of producers. So let me give you a couple of examples. If you have a grassland ecosystem, the upright pyramid is what you are expecting, because the number of individuals at the level of producers will be maximum, right? Now, you also have individuals at the top, carnivores, that will be the least. You agree? Okay. However, if you take a parasitic food chain, it's going to be inverted because the producers provide food to fruit-eating birds, which in response support a few species of insects. So it can be either, right? Okay. And then for you, Aburi Presby, yours was a pyramid of biomass, right? That can be either inverted or upright. Again, if I give you the examples, grassland and forest ecosystem, it's upright, because the quantity of biomass at the producer level is higher than the carnivore level at the top. So the pyramid is inverted. Let's say you take a pond ecosystem, as the biomass of fish far surpass the biomass of zooplankton on which they feed. So depending on the scenario, you see that that's the kind of thing that happens. However, with the pyramid of energy, it is always upright, as explained by Emenyo. All right, next set, 30 seconds. Prempeh College, find the heat capacity at constant volume of 5.0 mole of a monoatomic ideal gas. Lionel.
6.3 by 10 to the power 1 joule per Kelvin.
That's incorrect. Yes, go ahead, Israel.
62 joule per Kelvin.
Yes. Your major question. Find the heat capacity at constant pressure of 0.90 mole of a monoatomic ideal gas. Israel, go ahead.
Okay, so we have 23 joule per Kelvin.
That's incorrect. Yes, Elliot?
19 joule per Kelvin.
You're right. Now your major question. Find the heat capacity at constant volume of 1.5 mole of a classical diatomic ideal gas. Yes, Semenyo.
31 joule per Kelvin.
You're right. Next set, 10 seconds. And I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Preamble. Dodecane is a saturated hydrocarbon with 12 carbon atoms. That's the preamble. Now, Prempeh College, please explain the likely physical state of dodecane at room temperature. Lionel.
Dodecane is liquid at room temperature, and this is because the intermolecular forces of attraction between the molecules of dodecane are the weak van der Waals forces, and since dodecane has a large molecular weight and also a high surface area, the van der Waals forces are able to hold the molecules of dodecane together at room temperature. However, since the van der Waals forces are not strong enough, dodecane cannot be a solid. Hence, dodecane becomes liquid at room temperature.
Okay. Aburi Presby with the same preamble. Is dodecane likely to be soluble in hexane? Please explain. Salom?
Dodecane is soluble in hexane, and this is because the intermolecular forces of attraction between the molecules of dodecane is weak van der Waals forces, which is a non-polar type of interaction. And the interactions in hexane is also non-polar. And since these two compounds have like intermolecular bonding, they are able to interact with each other, and hence dodecane is able to dissolve in hexane.
Yes. With the same preamble. Does decane have a higher or lower density than water? Please explain. Yes, Emenyo.
Lower. Though decane has a lower density than water, this is because in water there exists hydrogen bonding while amongst the molecules, while in dodecane there is weak van der Waals forces, specifically induced dipole. So therefore, because of the hydrogen bonding in water, the density is higher than that in dodecane.
2 out of 3. Yes, it is lower. Remember, density depends on mass and volume, right? Dodecane has a large mass, but also a large volume due to the explanation you gave. You didn't link it to the volume. Your explanation did not link to the volume at all. But that is what is important. So, due to the weak intermolecular van der Waals forces compared to water, which you are right, has stronger hydrogen bonding, the dodecane, although you have a large mass, you also have a large volume, and hence density is lower. All right. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. 2 fair dice are thrown, and the total score is 6. Please find the probability that Prempeh College, the individual scores are both even numbers. Lionel.
3/5.
That's incorrect.
Don't worry.
Yes. Israel.
2/5.
Yes. Now your major question with the same preamble. Your major question. The individual scores are both odd numbers.
Are both odd, so 1, 2, 3.
Salom?
3/5.
Yes. With the same preamble. The individual scores are both prime numbers. Elliot?
3/5. 3/5.
That's incorrect. Yes. Lionel?
5. 1 on 5.
Yes. Next set, 10 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. When I get to your school, I will give you some characteristic, okay? Some characteristic. What you are to do is to distinguish between codon and anticodon with respect to the characteristic I give you. I hope the preamble is clear. So, Prempeh College, location. Yes, Eunice?
So, the codon is located on the mRNA molecule, whilst the anticodon is located on the tRNA molecule.
Yes. The same preamble. Complementary nature. Selom.
The codon, the basis of the codon are the complementary basis of the DNA that it was being transcribed from. That's the codon, the basis of the DNA it was being transcribed from. Whereas the complementary of the anticodon is the mRNA's codons.
Yes. With the same preamble. Function. Yes, Emmanuel.
The function of the codon is to complement with the respective tRNA anticodons in protein synthesis to form a polypeptide chain, but the function of the anticodon is for the tRNA to be able to pick a particular amino acid and bring it to the ribosome during protein synthesis.
2 out of 3. Of course, what you said was right, but I needed you to explain that the codon will determine the position of the amino acid. Okay, so it determines the position of a particular amino acid. And then everything else you said was right. All right, 30 seconds. Prempeh College. A 0.024 Newton sphere of radius 5.0 millimeter attains a terminal velocity of 3.0 meter per second in a certain fluid. Find the viscosity of the fluid. Lionel?
You said we should find it. We should find what?
2.5 by 10 to the power -2 Pascal second.
That's incorrect. For a bonus.
And then now.
The right answer is 0.085 Pascal second. Aburi Presby. Suppose the 0.024 Newton sphere of radius 5.0 millimeter attained a terminal velocity of 25 meter per second in a fluid at 80 degrees Celsius. What is the viscosity of the fluid at that temperature? Salom?
So I have the viscosity to be 2.0 by 10 exponent 2 Pascal seconds.
That's incorrect. For bonus. The right answer is 10 millipascal second. Mawuli School. Find the viscosity of a fluid in which a 0.016 Newton sphere of radius 4.0 millimeter attains a terminal velocity of 15 meter per second. Emmanuel.
It's two significant figures. 13 millipascal second.
That's incorrect. For bonus. You were close. The right answer is 14 millipascal second. Last set of questions for the round. Last set. Prempeh College. Theobromine is the predominant alkaloid found in cocoa beans. It has a characteristic bitter taste and a molecular formula C7H8N4O2. A 200-gram sample of cocoa beans is found to contain 45 milligrams of theobromine. Please determine the mass of carbon atoms present in the theobromine. Lionel?
21 milligrams. 21 milligrams.
You are right. Aburi Presby. Wisanine is a natural alkaloid found in Piper guineense. This is a West African black pepper. And it has the molecular formula C18H21NO4. Determine the mass of hydrogen atoms in 180 milligrams of wisanine present in 10 grams of Piper guineense used in spicing food. Yes, Israel?
You mentioned like 7 milligrams or something.
Okay, so I have 380 milligrams.
That's incorrect. Yes, Elliot?
12 milligrams.
Yes. $12 milligrams. And now there's something interesting I have to share with you. Okay, those of you who want to learn something new today. Wisanine. This wisanine we just did some calculations on. It was first isolated and characterized in Ghana here. And the name comes from the local name of the Piper or Piper guineense. Do you know which one it is, our spice? Sruwisa. Yes. So, we have some claims to fame, huh? Piper or Piper guineense, West African black pepper, Sruwisa, and the compound is wisanine. How nice. All right, last question. Mawuli School. Quinine is an alkaloid first isolated from the bark of cinchona tree and used in malaria treatment. It has the molecular formula C20H24N2O2. Please estimate the mass of carbon atoms present in 540 milligrams of quinine tablet. Go ahead, please, Lionel.
400 milligrams. 400 milligrams.
That's right. And that's the end of the first round.
Welcome. We are GNPC, the nation's oil company. Our core work is to find and market Ghana's growing oil reserves. We strive to lead the sustainable exploration, development, production, and disposal of the petroleum resources of Ghana, as well as become a leading global oil and gas company whose operations have a profound impact on the quality of life of the people of Ghana. Down the years, we have partnered with renowned brands like Tallow, ENI Oil, Cosmos, Anadako, Petro SA, among others. How? In 2007, Jubilee, Ghana's biggest oil field, was discovered and later commissioned in 2010. Ghana's economy grew by 14.7% in 2011, triggered by the Jubilee field production in 2010. That represented a quarter of government's revenue. And that's just the beginning. The 10 field, with a capacity of about 300 million barrels, was also commissioned in August 2016. With a 20% stake, the Sankofa Jinyami field, which is expected to start oil production in 2017 and gas in 2018, will add an annual revenue of $7 billion. Some of the other fields and wells after Jubilee have been Mahogany East, Banda, Teak, Akasa, Odum, Wawa, Sapele. Because education is on top of our priorities, we've constructed 6-unit classroom blocks, each for the people of Elembele, Jomoro, Nzema East, Shama Ahanta West, and the Sekendi Takrady Municipal Assembly, and an 18-unit block for the Axim Girls Senior High School. For the love of football, we continue to fuel the passion of the Black Stars to make a consecutive 4th World Cup appearance and win our 5th AFCON title. For our greatest assets, the staff, we make sure they have the best of experiences by ensuring there is professionalism, creativity and innovation, environment, health and safety is put first, teamwork, reward of merit, respect for talent. GNPC keeps growing at a faster pace. This is us, empowering dreams.
end of the first round, Mawuli School has 18 points. Prempeh College has 19 points. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School has 24 points. We have a long way to go. 4 more rounds. Round 2. This round is also known as a speed race. The questions in the round are directed to all 3 schools at the same time. For an opportunity to answer a question, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, Aburi Presby? Thank you. Yours, Mawuli School. Thank you. And yours, Prempeh College. Thank you. If you ring and answer correctly on the first attempt, 3 points. On the second attempt, 2 points. On the third attempt, 1 point. However, if you attempt a question and you are unsuccessful, either your answer is incorrect or you are unable to provide an answer within a reasonable time, you lose a precious point. For questions requiring calculations, you have 30 seconds to present your answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds to do so. Best wishes, everyone. First set of questions, 10 seconds each. First one. Why are cysts formed by protozoa? Yes. Eunice.
So, cysts are formed by protozoans, and this occurs in unfavorable conditions. So the cyst forms a protective layer of the protozoan and protects it from unfavorable conditions such as drought and other unfavorable conditions.
Okay. Next one. What name is given to the ratio of the volume of, okay, yes.
Respiratory quotient.
Yes. Next one. In a certain breed of plants, the male gametes have 24 chromosomes. Indicate the number of chromosomes in the female. Yes.
24 chromosomes.
That's incorrect. Somebody else rang. Go ahead.
48 chromosomes.
No. Did you ring? Okay, so I continue reading. Indicate the number of chromosomes in the female gametes and the zygote, respectively. Yes, Eunice.
The female gamete will have 24 chromosomes, and the zygote will have 48 chromosomes.
Yes. Next set. "30 seconds each. What mass of carbon dioxide is formed when 0.70 gram of ethene undergoes complete combustion in excess oxygen? Yes, Lionel?
2.2 grams.
Yes. Next one. Determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction HNO3 plus Si plus HF going to H2O plus NO plus SiF6. Yes, Elliot.
16.
Yes. Gentlemen, this is your reputation at stake. Either the whispering or whatever it is stops, or we have to evacuate all of you. So, your reputation at stake, oh, not mine. Huh? Okay. I know you cooperate. Next question. A sample decays by 87.5% of its original mass in 84 minutes. What is the half-life? Yes. Lionel.
26 minutes.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Okay, go ahead, Elliot.
10.5 minutes.
No. Selom.
21 minutes.
No. 28 minutes. Let me check some. "28 minutes. Next set, 30 seconds. The Young's modulus of an alloy is 150 gigapascal, and its tensile strength is 100 megapascal. Find the tensile stress that results in an elongation by 0.20 millimeter of a 1.5 meter long alloy specimen of uniform 1.0 millimeter squared cross section. The right answer is 20 megapascal. Next one. The couple that twists a uniform cylindrical object through an angle theta is proportional to theta and inversely proportional to the length of the object. Please give the SI unit for the proportionality factor as expressed in SI base units. Yes, Elliot.
Kilogram meter to the power 3, second to the power -2, radian to the power -1.
That's incorrect. The right answer is kilogram per meter second squared. A 24 Newton object on a pivoted plank just begins to slide down when the plank makes 52.5 degrees with the horizontal. Find the magnitude of the limiting static friction force on the object and the limiting coefficient of static friction between the object and the plank. The right answer is 19 Newton and 1.3. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds each. The sum of the first n terms of a series is Sn equals 5 raised to the power n minus 1. Find the nth term of the series and identify the series. The right answer, UN is equal to 4 multiplying 5 raised to the power of the expression n minus 1. This is an exponential or geometric series. All right, next one. Simplify completely. Cosine of theta minus 45 degrees plus cosine of theta plus 45 degrees. Yes, Lionel?
Root of 2, the root of 2 times cosine of theta.
Yes. Last question of the round. Last question. Find dy dx given the relation 2x squared minus y cubed is equal to 10. Yes, Lionel?
Dy dx is equal to a fraction with numerator 4x and denominator 3y squared.
Yes. And that's the end of the second round.
yourself out there, facing your fears. All you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already in succeed. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Before I give the score for the round, there was a biology question. It was the second in the set. The question was, what name is given to the ratio of the volume of carbon dioxide eliminated to the volume of oxygen consumed during the act of cellular respiration? The contestants didn't even allow me to get even halfway. They answered the question when I said, what name is given to the ratio of the volume of, and then Aburi Presby rang and answered. There was a lot of noise. Anyway, the right answer is respiratory quotient. Some people who were making noise and still had respiration quotient contested. So you have to lose those points you got, Aburi Presby. The right word is respiratory, not respiration. Okay? Now, to avoid such things happening, please, it is extremely difficult to hear when you are making so much noise. It is hard to hear. That was the end of a word. It was really hard for me to hear. I thought they had said the right thing. I gave them the benefit of the doubt. Please make it easier for me to do my work. Thank you. The end of the second round. Mawuli School has 18 points. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School has 21 points. Prempeh College has 31 points. Round 3. This round has the problem of the day. At stake is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. The NSMQ star is awarded to any school that earns a perfect score of 10 points in the round. At this stage, the NSMQ star is worth 2,800 Ghana cedis to the team. I hope it's something worth working for. Thank you, Prudential Life Insurance, for the star. All right, so the problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you will have 4 minutes to present an answer from your school on the screens. The problem of the day, as mentioned, is worth 10 points. Contestants, please stand. You may now pick up your problems of the day, turn them over for us to read, just read together. I will tell you when to start. So, problem of the day. For this problem of the day, I have a beautiful diagram. So, that's a diagram. All right. ABCD is a square of side of length A. Triangle ABE has area 1. Triangle BCF has area 2. Triangle DEF has area 3. Find the area of the square ABCD. And you've been given a hint. Express X and Y, which are dimensions on the square, in terms of A, and find an expression for the area of triangle DEF in terms of A. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Please stop writing and resume your seats. You may put on the first page, all of you, page 1. The contestants have presented their answers. Before I award the points, let's look at the suggested solution from the consultant. This is a problem in geometry from mathematics. So we have a square, ABCD. It has a side of length A. Now, the square has been divided into several triangles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 different triangles. Out of the 4, 3 of the triangles have been given areas. They are given. Okay? So, triangle ABE has area 1. BCF has area 2. DEF has area 3. And contestants were to find the area of the square. Basically, what they had to do was to find the area that has not been given, sum everything, they have it, or find the dimension of the square, and then multiply it by itself. That's the area of a square, right? But a hint was given. There was a reason why this hint was given. The hint says, express x and y in terms of A, and find an expression. A is, of course, the side of the square. And find an expression for area of the triangle which has not been given in terms of A. All right, so how do you go about this? Basically, we are going to calculate the area of a triangle, and we know that already. So the area of the triangle ABE, you take one of them, ABE, is half multiplied by A multiplied by X. These are given in the diagram. And this is equal to 1 because the area of that triangle is given as 1. Now, if you manipulate this a little bit, just make X the subject, you get X is equal to 2 over A. That's one of the things that you have to do. 1 point for this. Next, we can look at the area of triangle BCF. The area of that triangle is given as 2. Again, we take half the base times the height. So half AY is equal to 2. And so Y is equal to 4 over A. 1 more point. Now let's look at the area of the triangle DEF. Again, it's half base area times height, right? So it's half multiplied by A minus X multiplied by A minus Y. We can simplify this, right? Because we know what Y is in terms of A. And we know what X is in terms of A. We calculated those. So we substitute. And we will get half A minus 2 over A multiplying A minus 4 over A. If we simplify this, we will get A squared minus 6 plus 8 over A squared, all of this over 2. 2 points for getting this far. Now we'll simplify and rewrite it as a quadratic. Okay, so we now have a nice quadratic equation, beautiful one. A squared minus 6 plus 8 over A squared divided by 2 is equal to 3. So we have now A raised to the power 4 minus 6A squared plus 8 is equal to 6A squared. So A squared squared, we are rewriting the A to the power 4 as A squared squared. Okay? And that is minus 12A squared plus 8. I have just reorganized it, and this is equal to 0. Now you see we have a rather simple quadratic equation. We can use the thing we like, the memorization parts that we like very well, the negative b. So A squared is going to be equal to negative b plus or minus square root of. You remember that thing? If we use that, we'll be able to solve for A squared. And if we do that, we'll get A squared to be 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 32 all over 2. And so we will wind up, actually, after we simplify a bit, we will wind up with A squared is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 7. Now, the thing is, if you look at this carefully, you look at the diagram you've been given carefully, you will see that A squared cannot be less than 6. So we have to reject one of the answers. You see the plus or minus? We have to reject one of them. So we will reject a squared is equal to 6 minus 2 root 7, and then we are left with the answer, a squared, which is the area of the square, to be 6 plus 2 root 7. There were some points along the way. The final answer, of course, is worth the 2 points, giving a total of 10 points. This was what was expected. Now, contestants. Let's start with Prempeh College. When I go to your screen and saw those massive figures looking like, are they triangles? They don't even look like triangles. I knew we were in trouble. Sure enough, you could not figure out any of these things. And so, unfortunately, I have to give you 0 out of 10. Mawuli School. You also had a great deal of trouble with this problem. However, you started out well because you were able to get a relationship between A and X. Okay, so X is equal to 2 over A. That was what you got. I see it's there, right? Remember that was worth 1 point? In fact, that was all I could find to give you. So you have 1 out of 10. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, similar to Mawuli, you were able to come up with X is equal to 2 over A, but that was the end of your success because you got some complicated things going on and didn't help you at all. It's as if you wanted to ignore the hint. The hint was there for a purpose. And so you also wind up with 1 out of 10. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 3. Before we begin the next round, Mawuli School would like to effect a substitution. Elliot, it's been a pleasure having you. Best wishes. Elliot is being replaced by Theophilus. You're welcome, Theophilus. Round 4. In this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider it carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement is available to the 2 remaining schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If it's right, 2 full points. If not, there is that penalty. Best wishes, everyone. I'm starting with you, Aburi Presby. Your statement. The electrostatic energy density near an isolated point charge increases as distance from the charge increases. Salom?
False.
You're right. Mawuli School. The electrostatic energy density near an isolated point charge is constant everywhere. Theophilus?
False.
You're right. Prempeh College. The electrostatic energy density near an isolated point charge is proportional to the magnitude squared of the electric field of the charge. Yes, Eunice?
True. True.
Yes. The in-center of a triangle is inside the triangle. Salom.
False.
No, that's a true statement. The circumcenter of a triangle is inside the triangle. Yes, Theophilus?
False.
You're right. The orthocenter of a triangle is outside the triangle. Jonas?
False.
You're right. For the next set, I have a short preamble to all schools. Preamble. In its structure, that's the preamble. In its structure, a molecule of carbon dioxide has delocalized electrons. Salom?
True.
No, that's a false statement. Mawuli School. A molecule of ozone has delocalized electrons. Theophilus?
True.
Yes. A molecule of ethane has delocalized electrons. Eunice?
False.
Yes. The number of chromosomes in parents and offspring of a particular species remains constant due to doubling of chromosomes after zygote formation. Salom?
False.
Yes. The number of chromosomes in parents and offspring of a particular species remains constant due to halving of chromosomes after gamete formation. Theophilus?
False.
Yes. The number of chromosomes in parents and offspring of a particular species remains constant due to doubling of chromosomes after gamete formation. Eunice?
False.
Yes. An object sliding down a rough inclined plane eventually comes to rest. Salom?
False.
Yes. An object sliding down a rough inclined plane moves with zero acceleration. Theophilus?
False.
Yes. The forces acting on an object sliding down a rough inclined plane include the weight of the object, the normal force on the object, and the kinetic friction force on the object. Eunice?
True.
Yes. Next set comes with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. The equation of a line with slope m and x-intercept c is Aburi, y is equal to mx plus c. Salom?
False.
Yes. Y is equal to mx minus c. Theophilus?
False.
Yes. Y is equal to m multiplying the expression x minus c. Eunice?
True.
Yes. A suitable solvent for recrystallization of a solid organic compound must be organic. Salom?
False.
Yes. A suitable solvent for recrystallization of a solid organic compound must readily dissolve the solid at room temperature. Theophilus?
True.
No, that's a false statement. A suitable solvent for recrystallization of a solid organic compound must only react with the compound when heated. Eunice?
False.
Yes. Last set of statements for the round. Last set. If the fossil of an organism is found in the deeper layers of the earth, then one can predict that the extinction of organisms has occurred recently. Salom?
False.
Yes. If the fossil of an organism is found in the deeper layers of the earth, then one can predict that the fossil position in the layers of earth is not related to its time of extinction. Theophilus?
False.
Yes. Last statement. If the fossil of an organism is found in the deeper layers of the earth, then one can predict that the time of extinction cannot be determined. Eunice?
True.
Oh no. That's a false statement. And that's the end of the fourth round.
Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead with expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
At the end of the fourth round, Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School has 32 points. Mawuli School has 32 points. Prempeh College has 44 points. Fifth and final round, round 5. In this round, we have the Goyle Riddle Bonanza. This is a reward for a school that solves 3 or 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, if you solve 3 riddles, you will get 1,600 Ghana cedis for your team from Goyle. And if you solve all 4 riddles, you will get 2,000 Ghana cedis from Goyle. Something to look forward to, right? Okay. So round 5, we are solving riddles. I will be reading out the clues. For an opportunity to solve the riddle, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, Aburi Presby? Thank you. Yours, Mawuli School. Thank you. And yours, Prempeh College. Thank you. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. Please, when you ring, your answer must be ready. 4 riddles in all. First one. I am a pouch within the peritoneum of mammals. I am typically located on the right side of the body. My name comes from a Latin word which literally means blind intestine. In herbivores, yes, Eunice?
Jejenu.
No. In herbivores, I store food materials where bacteria are able. Yes.
The cacum.
Spell it for me.
C-A-E-C-U-M.
Oh, I'll give it to you. Spell it. It's the cecum. That's a proper pronunciation for that word, not cacum. Normally, cecum, that is how it's normally called. All right. They solved the riddle on the 4th clue, 3 points. Next one. I am one of the most vital industrial processes in chemistry. I am particularly crucial for agriculture. My major product is mainly used as fertilizer. All right, go ahead, Salom.
Herbal process.
Yes. They solved the riddle on the 3rd clue, 3 points. Next one. I am a physical phenomenon. I am a process in which radiation is emitted. I am one of the modes of radiation emission by atoms and molecules. There's nothing special about... Yes, go ahead.
Spontaneous emission.
You're right.
Let me see. We're fine.
I was reading the 4th clue, 3 points. 3 points. Last one. Last one. I am a 2-digit number. I am an even number. The sum of my digits is the decimal base. Yes, Salom.
64.
You're right. They solved the riddle on the 3rd clue. 3 points. 3 points. And that's the end of the 5th round.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy, busy, busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. Baby, at the day I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, city check.
Join the Absa family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Here are the final scores. Mawuli School has 32 points. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School has 41 points. Prempeh College has 47 points. Mawuli School, thank you so much for being here. Unfortunately, we must say goodbye at this point. Best wishes to you. As we are in the money zone, you are not going empty-handed. Absa Bank will be giving you 1,280 Ghana cedis for your team. All the best. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, thank you for being here. We must say goodbye at this point as well. But you have made some earnings. Absa Bank is going to give you 1,640 Ghana cedis from the money zone. In addition to that, you won the Riddle bonanza worth 1,600 Ghana cedis. That's from Goyle. So, not too bad, right? Best wishes to you. Prempeh College, congratulations on winning the contest. Well done. From the money zone, Absa Bank is giving you 1,880 Ghana cedis for your team. But as far as I'm concerned, the best part is that you have qualified for the semi-finals. Please prepare well, and I look forward to seeing you there. Unfortunately, I don't think your score is high enough to get the Airtel Tigo Highest Scorer Award, which is worth 3,000 Ghana cedis. That is going to someone else, but you have qualified to the semi-finals. Well done. Viewers, thank you so much for joining us for this quarterfinal contest. We have more of them coming your way. Please plan to be with us next time when we bring you Ghana Senior High School Koforidua, St. James Seminary Senior High School, and Kumasi Secondary Technical School. Well, I would like to acknowledge our sponsors before we leave. The National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, Goyle, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Zipline, Studio HD, and YFM. My name is Elsie Kaufman, and I have been your quiz mistress. And of course, this has been a prime time production. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time. Bye.
Come to the end of the very exciting contest, and I would like to invite